welcome back to my channel. For today's video we will be unboxing April's base box. I finally got it. Thank you Boxycharm for sending me this month's base box. Really quick update on my bump. I have no more bump, but yes, I was right. A pimple came out of my bump. I did not pop it, so it's like going back in, so we're good. Anyways, so let's just get into this unboxing. This month's theme was sweet treats. So cute and pretty. I love the colors. The first thing that we're gonna start with is obviously the palette that comes in this box. Well, as you can tell by the makeup, you guys know which makeup palette I already have, and also because I posted it on my Instagram stories. It was between Jubilee or the Ayana palette by Natasha Denona, and I really wanted the Jubilee palette because it really matched the theme, right? But I got Ayana. I'm a little bit sad because it's cool tones and I wanted more pastel-y colors to play with. For me, it doesn't feel very springish, or maybe it does, like earthy. Tomorrow's Earth Day, so I guess this look is for Earth Day. I didn't want to go and do a super dark smoky eye look, so I decided to create a smoky eyeliner look. Both of the Natasha Denona palettes have 5 eyeshadows. We got Harlow, we got Lash Line, we got Satin Skin, we got Crease, and we got Glam Green. It's not an ugly palette, it's a pretty palette, and as we all know, these Natasha Denona palettes are super pigmented. You will see in the tutorial that I barely applied any eyeshadow base this time, also because I didn't want to make it too dark. On its own, it looks really pigmented. It swatches really beautifully. They're very soft and they're super blendable. You will see how I ended up smoking out that liner. I did use an eyeliner from Tristique to create the wing. You guys will see. It's so easy to blend it. I do love this palette nonetheless. I really love the formula on these little palettes. They're very convenient because they're like compact. You can make daily looks out of this palette just using the shimmers or just using the matte eyeshadows. You can make a lot of cool tone looks with this palette. Packaging is very cute. I love it. It's simple. It's plastic. I love it. It's cute. The other palette that I have by Natasha Denona, instead of being white packaging, it was a soft pink. It still had a clear lid, which is nice because you can see all the eyeshadows. This palette retails for $48. Next, we have another item that we saw on the sneak peeks, and I actually wanted that one. Like, I saw the packaging and I saw the texture of the product and I was like, I hope I really get that. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It's silicone free and it has a cooling effect. I love the packaging. The box is cute, but the packaging of the actual product is cute. I freaking love it. I love this pink so much. You can see through it. It's so pretty. I love it. The product inside is so freaking beautiful. It's a transparent pink. It smells so good. It smells like a perfume, like a cherry blossom perfume. I know I had a perfume like this before. I just can't remember which one. It smells so good. I love it. Now let's talk about the texture in this primer. It feels so soft, kind of like a regular primer, but then as you rub it into your skin, you start feeling the cooliness. So you guys will see in the swatch here that I made, it kind of looks like it's peeling. I think the reason why it reacted like that is because I used my makeup wipe to clean whatever I used before. So I think it didn't combine properly, because today when I applied it on my face, I did not see any peeling. It just melts down on your skin like water, but it doesn't feel drying. It's a good thing. It's a good thing that it feels like water because it's so lightweight. You actually feel like you have water on your face, just not dripping water. It does have water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin silky smooth, which is exactly what I felt when I applied my concealer. I could feel the smoothness of the primer on my face. It didn't peel. I love it so freaking much, guys. I definitely will be using this primer more often. It literally made my skin so soft and it looks very healthy. I love it. This is by far my favorite primer that I have ever used. It absolutely tops the Benefit Professional. This is a must. This little guy retails for $32. Next, we have an item that I did not see in the sneak peeks, and I didn't know the brand. This is the brand Eloise, and this is the Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. The packaging is really nice. It's a rose gold color. The packaging on this beautiful body glow illuminator is amazing. It is actually glass. You guys know I'm thrown always by any product that comes in a glass because it's very luxurious. Now you look at the pump, it's so amazing. It's a rose gold color. Again, we're going with the luxurious pump. It's so beautiful. You can actually see the illuminator. Some people might not like this because it does have specks of glitter. I don't mind this. I don't mind this at all. I freaking love it. I'm wearing it on my cheekbones, so as you can see, you can actually see the glitter. It's just personal preference. The formula on this little guy feels a little bit sticky. I applied it here so I can feel a little bit of stickiness, but it says it's transfer proof. So when I touch this, I can see only the specks of glitter transferring, nothing else. My hand doesn't feel sticky. My cheekbones are a little bit sticky, but the product is staying on. This is a body glow illuminator, but it does say that you can use it on your face as well. It says that this transfer proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. So you can see it. I love it. I'm so excited that I got this, especially now that it is spring but we're closer to summer, so I'm gonna be using a lot of this guy in summer. This little guy retails for $38. The next item is by a brand that we constantly receive in Boxycharm, and that is the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. It's metallic. This is in the shade Broadway Glitz. I didn't see this lipstick at all in the sneak peeks. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. It's a little bit heavy. The lid is magnetic. It has a nice touch to it. My first thoughts when I saw this lipstick, I was like, oh my god, this is a purple lipstick, a dark purple in spring. When I swatched it against a brownie nude color, which is called Nutmeg by NYX, it went along really nice. It does not look purple. I really loved it. I was scared that it was gonna be dark purple. That's why I also did a subtle look. I really love this lipstick. It's so pretty. It actually reminds me of a NYX lipstick. I think it's called Sophisticated, but it has those blue specks as well. This one has blue and purple specks. When you swatch it, it looks a little bit plum, but it looks totally different on the lips. It definitely feels like a weightless lipstick. You don't need to apply so much to get the coverage. I just tapped on it a little bit. The formula on this is creamy. It's nice. It does transfer over, but it definitely feels very hydrating to the lips. This little guy retails for $21. And last but not least, we have an item by Terre de Mars. It's French. It actually is from France. It is the body cleanser. It has coffee extract, which is the antioxidant. It also has verbena, which tones your skin. And it has aloe vera, which moisturizes your skin. It's an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extract, and infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. It's cruelty free and vegan. This was the last item that I applied on my arm, and it definitely hydrated and nourished my skin there. They tend to get dry because of all the swatches that I do. I can't wait to try this on my legs because my legs tend to be very dry. It also smells really soft. It smells really good. I think I smell more the rosemary. This little guy retails for $22. And that was everything that I got in this base box. My favorite item for this month has definitely got to be the Pretty Filter by Touch in Soul. Hands down, my favorite item. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite item this month. The total value for this entire box was $161. But if you're subscribed to Boxycharm, you only pay $25 per month for the monthly subscription. Not only that, but you get access to the pop-up online store with discounted products. So if you haven't subscribed to them, make sure you do. And that concludes this video. We will be jumping into the makeup tutorial shortly. Just remember, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave in the comments down below your favorite item for this month. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!